A meteorite from outer space? Carrying alien proteins? But they seem to have unfolded from their trip through Earth's atmosphere. If only there was a way to determine the structure of a protein with only its amino acid sequence. Luckily, there is, with an AI model called AlphaFold 2. AlphaFold 2 compares the amino acid sequence input to evolutionarily related proteins in a process called multiple sequence alignment. With proteins, their physical form is what determines their function. Proteins that do their job well are typically evolutionarily conserved. However, if any mutations do occur, they'll happen in a way that conserves the protein's structure. Here, we look for evidence for a phenomenon called coevolution. This is where amino acids that are in contact tend to mutate together in order to maintain the structure's stability. In a way similar to a Cartesian plane, the input sequence is compared against itself, forming a sort of grid. Hints regarding the protein's geometry established by the multiple sequence alignment are then used to help approximate distances between each pair of amino acids, creating the pair representation. These representations are then directed to the EVA former. In the EVA former, information is processed in two streams, the biological and geometrical streams. Here, relationships determined between amino acids that are linked to biological concepts, such as coevolution, are flagged for importance. Details on the amino acids deemed integral to the structure are then relayed to the geometrical stream, providing context to further refine distances calculated between them. Similarly, information on amino acids found to be close to each other in the pair representation is sent to the biological stream, telling it to place greater emphasis on any relationships determined between these pairs. This information is then used to build a draft representation of the protein, beginning with predicting the backbone and then adding in the side chains. This is then recycled through the program at least 2 more times in order to achieve maximum accuracy. And there we have it, the final predicted 3D structure. And while AlphaFold hasn't been used on alien proteins just yet, its revolutionary impacts on Earth have more than made up for this.